Hey everyone, especially those Imaculadas, welcome to the Student Athlete Grind. I'm John Claude B. Zamora, and today we have a very special guest, a student athlete who's balancing academics and sports like a pro here in UIC. We'll dive into their journey, challenges, and advice for aspiring athletes. So let's get started. So welcome to the show, Mr. Carl Magadan. Thank you for joining us today, and I'm very grateful that you accepted our invitation for being our guest for today's discussion.
Salamat day kayo na ako imong napili sa imong podcast.
Let's start for my first question. So Carl, what inspired you to start your journey in sports, specifically joining the basketball varsity here in UIC?
Na-inspired ako kay tungod kay gusto man guna og competition and kanang energy ug excitement na naa sa dula is gusto sa nako mapart na ba, and kanang pag tan-aw sad sa mga professional na mga athletes na ma-push ilang mga limits na happy sad kag motivate to work hard, and then kanang pag-admire sad sa ilang mga disiplina ug dedication na ma-overcome ang mga challenges.
So the next question is, can you share a memorable moment or achievement in your career or even your experience here in UIC while playing?
One of my memorable achievements sa akong career kay kanang nabalaan yun ang tinuod na disiplina ba kay naman good to time na sa sige mig training ba kay nag-struggle jud ko bay sa akong consistency ba nang nawalaan ko consistency ba, but wala ra gyapon nagpadala sa kapoy nag-stick ra gyapon sa routine matag sa iyo nang mag-follow ra gyapon sa mga workout schedule nimo, ang stay focus ra gyapon, di ka magpadala sa mga kakapoy.
For my last question, what advice would you give to aspiring athletes like you? Do you have any secrets sa mga movements dira ha?
Ang akong advice day na matag day kay lang, stay discipline and hard work lang jud. Ay ang hard work magud mabit niya ang talent if ang talent dili mag-work, and ayaw jud kadlok na ma-fail ka kay kanang failure man good kay part na sa learning process nimo, and always surround yourself sa mga tao na gina-push sad ka na maging better, and always be coachable and willing to learn from others. Always take care of your body through proper training, nutrition, and rest. Stay mentally strong and don't let setbacks break you, and then enjoy lang ang journey.
Whew, that was really amazing. Thank you so much for sharing your journey, Mr. Carl Magadan. Wishing you all the best in both academics and also your career. So dito lang day tama ng atong podcast for today. If you like this conversation, kindly see you next time on Student Athlete Grind.